Right, so we've made some more progress. Come and have a look. So we've made some great progress on the unit. We've only been in here for 4 weeks, but as you can see behind me, we've started work on the office above the mezzanine. So I'll give you a quick walking tour of what we've got done in the last week. You can see all of the framework for the drying rack. There was a big yellow frame. I think it probably was in the first video. There's a big yellow frame that was left here when we got the keys. And we've pulled all that apart, and welded some new end plates on it. We're going to be building our drying rack with that. I've been picking up loads of stuff from Facebook and eBay. Some of the main components that are going to build out the office. Loads of stuff is just all drip feeding in now, so all of the gear's coming in. I'll show you a quick update on the downstairs. There's not much to report here, but the studio is fully boarded out with the doors hanging. This middle room here is going to be the workshop area with the laser and the router, so that's going to be insulated and that'll be in there. We've had loads more stock come in. We had another full shipment of stock come in, which has all managed to be swallowed up by the new racking, which is fantastic. But the big update is upstairs, so let's show you the office. So up here it's all been fully studied out. I'm in what is going to be the open plan office, and this will be around about 12 desks. Should be quite a comfortable office. It's going to be insulated, yeah, that's all to be done. Obviously all the windows have gone in. We've got here, there's a separate office at the back. We've got another separate office here. We've got the server room. Everything's going to be, that's going to be the heart of the operation, everything's going to be run from there. And then in here, this is going to be the conference room, so it's, we've made really quick progress. John and Rob from Atkinson's of Cheshire have finished all of the stud work. They finished on Friday, and then I spent the whole weekend with the wife here wiring it and started off insulating it. In the conference room, the only cabling we've got is 2 double sockets down here, left and right, and then we've got a double socket in the middle, one internet, Cat 6 Ethernet, and then we've got HDMI, so that'll come up to kind of like an interface that's on the middle of the conference table, so there's no wires anywhere. Here we've got the data centre. This is where all the cables have come back to. There's probably about 15 there. There's going to be about another 25 we've got to feed in, and then we've also got our ring main. We've fed in some of our main socket ring mains. So we've got a small office in here. We've got sockets, data, same again in here, and then in this room we're going to have everything surface mounted along this wall. We've got 2 data cables, one for an access point on this side, one for an access point on the other side, so we've got really strong Wi-Fi inside and outside the office. We've got data and HDMI for a big screen in the office, showing the CCTV feeds. We've got sockets high up along the wall, all the way along, and the plan is to have, we're going to have heated, radiant heat tiles in the ceiling for heating, and then we're going to have, temporarily, we're going to have fans on the wall at each junction, with a wall mounted fan. We've only got a couple of wires left to put in, and then we've got the plasterboard guys. The dry liners arriving today, and hopefully by the end of tomorrow it'll all be dry lined, and then we'll be looking at plastering it and putting up the suspended ceiling.